Good afternoon, team. I know it's been quite a while since I did a video update, but yeah, here is the construction site. You can see there's quite a bit going on. So what's happened since we last came? Pump house is, the foundation's pretty much done. A lot of the piping's already done as far as all my stub ups and stuff like that. Next thing what's happening is you can see all these yellow pylons. These are all the piers that are poured. They should have been poured this morning if I'm not mistaken. We'll find out. And then the back wall, we're gonna try and get to the back wall, and then there's the forms for the rest of the wall. They might have poured the wall this morning, but we're gonna make our way this way. We'll show you the bottom of the pump house. But yeah, let's see what we got here. A lot going on. A lot going on. There's the manhole lids, the flanges for the manholes. Let's see. Can I go this way? We're digging a super deep. Oh, there he is right there. Okay, so here's the electrical. Bringing in the electrical right here. And it'll go into the building this way. Right. I was wondering what they were digging the hole for this morning. It was really deep. Okay, so the reason he's got this really nice sand here is we set the pipes. All the pipes are going to be set in sand. So they got some room to expand and contract without breaking. All right, let's check out the pump house. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, there's the bottom of the pump pit. All right, give me a minute. Okay, well, I was going to go down there, but the steps have been, they're about to be formed completely. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. All right, so these right here, these are going to be the stub ups for all the pumps, or for the all the slides right here, except for two. There's one right there. There's another one right there. Those are stub outs for the pump, for the slides. Those would be for the big ones in the very back corner over there. These are all for the little splash pad stuff. Right there, that's my water feed in, and then these little areas right here for chemicals. You can tell this pump house is going to be kind of tight, but once we get more stuff in there, it'll feel better. But it feels tight right now. All right, so there's the bottom of the surge pit. I didn't realize that we have a little pit here so we can drain it out. That's fantastic. I wish I had that in all the sump pumps, surge pits. I mean, I love that. I love that. Okay. So our wonderful electricians finished this box yesterday. We're gonna have two main J boxes. One of them is for the electrical, which is this one, and then there's going to be another one that's going to be for all low voltage data, etc. Right? Speakers, data, TV, cable, etc. Okay, so I know what they poured this morning. All the foundations right here for the ground, for the, what are they called? Spread footers. So the spread footers here were poured this morning. That's what was poured this morning. Okay. See if we can get over here a little bit more. And some of the, actually a lot of the piers were poured in this morning too. So now what'll happen, they'll go ahead and form up the wall here, and this will be the outer wall. You can see there's the inner wall right there. Yep, here's the spread footer for the inner wall, and then the walkway is actually going to be right here. It'll be a walkway all the way down. This will be coming up right here, down that way. We're gonna have to figure out a way to protect this pipe, because kids will be messing with it. There's all my electrical right there coming up to the as all the electrical boxes will be right there. Yep, it's looking good. Looking good. Yep, all the piers were pretty much poured this morning. That's what it looks like. Looks good. So right here, what they're working on right here is the main drains These are the main drains coming from the bottom of the slides and the bottom of the pool. That's what that is. Alrighty. You can see there's another one right here. This will be formed. This will be a floor formed, or dirt form, whatever they call it. But you can see there's already a water stop there. So when it penetrates the concrete. So yeah, there's a lot going on. All right, let me see if I can get to the other side. We'll see the back side of this wall. All right, we're on the back side. You see this big spread footer. So we did this on 2 ways, so we didn't have to go too deep on the piers. We went with a little bit of spread footer and a little bit of pier. We're gonna be doing that in a couple areas. But this is basically where the big slide part is, big tunnel. I'll see if I can find a picture for you. Big tunnel area will be right here. That's what's holding up here. This is the walkway right here. So you see this was formed, I think this was poured 2 days ago. And what they're doing here, this black, is they're creating a, you see the white rock right there? They're creating a bit of a drain here. Hold on, let me get out. All right, let's continue. So, a lot going on that side, so I'm trying to stay out of the way. All right, here's the back end of the wall. This is the forming, of course. It'll look different whenever we're done. But yeah, here's all the forming for that back wall. Let's see if we can come over here. You see how close it is. It's gonna actually be to the edge of the wave with lazy rivers. So, it's pretty close. So, it's not all that high. It's a little bit shorter in some areas, but that's pretty much the height, yeah. So you see where right there, the conduit's sticking up. That's where the tie-ins for the top are. I think right here it's gonna be kind of tight, so I'm probably gonna make this like a maintenance area or something. I don't know, I haven't figured it out yet. Once we get closer to opening, we'll be able to see what we can do back here. But you can tell that this is not going to be an accessible area to guests. So we're trying to do double decker cabanas in this area. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, well team, it's looking good. We're getting there. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.